Hello guys, my name is Josh Mina again. We're back. We're back again. Okay, so we're back again. So we're gonna be moving on to instructional resource 4, which is input and output. Okay, so input and output in Java, it's different from some programming languages na siya input and output. So input and output, what it is basically you input something and it will output what you said, I think, or whatever you input. There's if else there. So create a input. Okay, so we're gonna be creating input after this. Okay, so we're back here to our hello world to atong gihimo na sa very first na ano pa na video. Okay, so let's just delete this here now. Okay, so the very first thing that you ever want to do if you want to use user input in Java, you're gonna be first importing the input function, which is the scanner. So you just type here Java import java.util scanner scanner US. Okay, so what this does, because scanner, yung scanner natin na Tagalog Tagalog, the scanner scanner input na to is dili siya built in sa Java, which is it has to be imported from Java libraries. Okay, so after that you were going to initialize your scanner. So how to initialize your scanner is you just make your scanner and the name of your scanner. Some use IO or whatever. You can use whatever your name there, George, Mar, Desar, anything. So me, I just like to put it my scan is equals to new scanner, and then after that system dot in, then close tag. Okay, so that is how to initiate your scanner. And after that, just have to create something so you can have your very first input function. Okay, so we just have to ask first, print it out that print line. Actually, just print. Let's use print. You have to ask something so user can input, like what's your name, what's your name. Okay, so to that you just can is pretty basic. Again, use the variable. You're gonna be using variables to store the input of the user. Okay, so what's your name? So it's asking name, so I'm gonna put name 1 there. Okay, is equals to next line. Oh wait lang, my scan pala, my scan dot next line. Okay. Wait lang, okay, minor error, next line. Next line. sorry. Okay, after that, so what you basically did is you made a input Joshua, then it's that answer no response from the input. So if you want the response from the input, we're gonna be using another one, system dot print line. Okay, so that you can put whatever you want here. My name is your name. Okay, kita may nag-ask. Your name is, okay, close again, plus, because if you have not seen last video about variables and data types, you should watch that first before watching this, because it's going to be pretty advanced for you. you're not gonna be understanding what these plus and the name one variables here is gonna do if 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 you didn't watch the last video. Okay, so your name is plus, you're gonna be using the variable name, so to call the variable, then right there. So kagain na wala siya response. Now we're gonna be expecting the response here, so we're gonna be inputting Josh. Your name is Josh. Okay, right there. Okay, so that's how you input a string variable. It goes the same with a int variable as well. Okay, so system.out print. Okay, print. The reason why I'm not using print line here is because if I use print line, here, use print line here, the input is gonna be below. If you don't use print line, wait now. Don't use print line, the input is gonna be here, the side. See the difference? Below the side. Below the side. Okay. Close that. Hey, wait. Close it. Okay, let's close it. Close that. Okay. So for that, let's create input on an integer variable, a data type. So enter your age. Okay. Enter your age. How old are you? Just go with the flow sa atong first nothing. How old are you? Okay. How old are you? Then let's leave spacing, guys. How old are you? Then int, and then age equals to my scan, because we're getting what is inputted up here. Okay, my scan dot next, not line but next int. Okay, get the point. If it's a string, next line, next int. If it's a boolean, next double, next thing. Okay, so age actually can be used not in int variable or by byte, because some us humans age doesn't usually go up to 127, positive 127, right? So to save space, you are going to save space, you can use byte, or if you don't want to save space, use int. It's basically the same, just the size of the how much can you store. Okay, now age we can use byte. I'm gonna use byte because I'm a compact person. Compact talaga pagkatao, guys. Okay, so system out print line. Or actually, if you want to save more shizzle majazzle, just do this. The print line, your name is space /n, wait now, /n, then no plus, and you are, wait lang ano ito bumbuang okay, you are hey, wait lang guys. Okay, sorry, my bad. Okay, /n you are just experimenting, guys, on the way. Okay. Your name is plus name 1 plus string plus 3. Okay, and you are okay. Put spacing, guys. And you are plus wait lang. Okay. Don't call me. I'm making video. Okay. What was it? Plus and you are plus age plus years old. See here. Then shift F6. What is your name? Okay, Josh. How old are you? 16. No, 20. Okay. Your name is Josh and you are okay. I forgot to put spacing here. There we go. Write it again. Josh. Name is 16 years old. Okay, your name is Josh and you are 16 years old. Okay, so that's basically how you use an input and output in Java. You can use those basic steps to create your own input output. So this is what I sent. I named it input AI because it's like an AI. No. It's right here. So please enter your name, and I even used if else here must be greater than 0, because if you are 0 years old you should not be inputting something like this. Just kidding. Okay, so yun siya, guys. My scan if else, it's basically like that. So you can use those basic steps that I shown you, and you can create your very own something like this. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you all in the next video where we'll be tackling about what's the next video, working with operators, math operators. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you all next video.